Hello, so this is a video showing you how to set up the TP-Link adapters and a slightly different version where I've already got a couple of these in the house already and they're on the main network. For those of you who do a bit of networking, that's subnet 1. Now what I want to do is create a separate network within the same home. So commonly you can buy more adapters, spread them around the house, but they're all on the same network. What I want to do is have my existing ones on one network and these on a separate network. And you might need these for various reasons, either privacy, you might have a business in the home, you might have a tenant and you just want them on a separate network. Now you do need some other equipment, but this is just to show you you can use Powerline adapters in the same home and use them on two separate networks, even though they're all wired on the same electrical connections. So firstly, what we're going to do is turn these on and we need to pair these two together. Now, in order to pair them, we've got three main steps. So let's turn them on first. Perfect. Now we want to press the pair button on any of the plugs. So this pair button is at the bottom. This pair button is right in front of us. Let's just hold that for a second. Should start flashing. Perfect. Now within 2 minutes, we need to press pair on this one. There we go. So they're both flashing now. Now we need to just wait a moment until they stop flashing. Lovely, so they've now stopped flashing. Took about a minute, so I fast forwarded it a little bit, so just be patient with it. It shouldn't take more than 3 minutes. I think it's meant to be maximum of 2, but just allow it a little bit of tolerance just above. More than 3 minutes, something's gone wrong, start the process again. Now what I'm going to do is connect any one of these to my second router. So this new network that I want to create, we need to connect one of these onto that router. So I'm going to do that, be back in a second. So using the other plug, I've now done that. So I've connected the other plug with an Ethernet cable and that's connected to my second network's router. So now what I'm going to do is test this. So I've got an Ethernet cable at the bottom, as you can see, and I've got this connected into my laptop here. So what I'm going to do here is if I just move the screen up, if I type in, just make sure that my Wi-Fi is not on. Yeah, so it's connected through the Ethernet cable. Wi-Fi isn't on. We'll just type in ipconfig and just check. Now this second router has a subnet of 99 and it should automatically give the IP. There we go. So there's the IP. It's given this machine an IP of 192.168.99. So that's the second subnet that I created, or the second router, and it's given it a number of 202. So that's now working. So that proves that it does work. You can have two sets of Powerline adapters to create two separate networks. So that is absolutely fine. And now what I can do, I can now place this anywhere in the home. I actually want it in another room on a different floor. So I'm going to now do that now that it's on the second network, and I can manage that from my second router or firewall if you want to. Hope that's been useful. Thanks for watching.